Today we are looking at an advanced testing of the volume supported linear regression trend indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I have been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I'm constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader and give you access to our private indicators, as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. All right, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the volume supported linear regression trend indicator. You can see the indicator down here at the bottom of the screen. In the original testing, it did 60 trades or 60% with 5 trades within the 1 year's time. And so we did adjust the time frame on this down to the 4-hour time frame. That means that we also adjusted the take profit and stop. You can see the adjusted take profit and stop right here. So in the original testing, what we were looking for was kind of a two-part kind of confirmation with this indicator. So the histogram bars here in green and red are basically a short-term trend kind of identifier. The larger line here oscillating through is a long-term trend identifier. And so what we're looking for was when the larger line, the larger oscillating line, was below the zero line. And so right down the middle of these green histogram and red histogram is going to be the zero line. And so when the oscillating line was below the zero line, we were looking for the bright, vibrant red colored bar to appear, and that is a signal to go short. On the opposite side, when the large oscillating line is above the zero, we are looking for the bright, vibrant green colored bar to appear, and that is a signal to then go long. And so this one also does have a continuation factor to it. And so if the trade was closed out with a take profit or a stop, and then on that bar or a bar in the near future, if it picked up that same vibrant color in the bar, then that is a continuation trade to then go long or short again. And so that's how we tested it in the original testing. That's how we tested it here in the advanced testing. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 30 winning trades. We got 20 losing trades. This puts us right at that 60% criteria that we were looking for, which is quite surprising considering how it did 60% with 5 trades and also a 60% with 50 trades. That's a pretty good indication that the indicator itself is relatively stable. And so what we don't like seeing is a huge swing in that percentage from 5 trades to, let's say that it did 80% in 5 trades, and then let's say it dropped all the way down to a 60% with 50 trades. That indicates that if we would continue to test this, say over 200, 300, 400 trades, it's possible that that number might continue to tick down and tick down and tick down until it kind of finds an equilibrium type state. And so the fact that it maintained the same win rate from 50 trades to the 5 trades, or I guess the 5 trades to the 50 trades, is a really decent sign. All right, so this one's going to stay on the yes list, and that's it for this video here. If you're interested in a profitable trading strategy, highly recommend that you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel. It is proven to be profitable, tested, optimized in many different ways, tested on quite a few different pairs. We're constantly optimizing and testing it and continuing to improve it. I'll put a link to that strategy video at the end of this video here. It will pop up right at the end once this video is done. It's a little thumbnail on screen. You click on that and follow it and check out that strategy. All right, so that's it for this one. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and cut it here and move on to the next video from here.